Applying for a Malawi eVisa is simple and fully online. Start by filling out the application form with your personal and passport details. Make sure all information is accurate and matches your passport, including your name, nationality, passport number, and travel details. Next, upload the required documents. This includes a clear copy of your passport bio page and a recent passport-style photograph. Ensure all files are clear, properly sized, and in the correct format. Once your documents are uploaded, proceed to make the payment using the secure online payment system. Payments can be made using accepted cards or online payment methods, and your information is protected throughout the process. After submission, your application will be reviewed. Once approved, your Malawi eVisa will be sent to you electronically. Download your eVisa, print a copy, and present it when you arrive in Malawi. That's it. A simple, fast, and convenient way to apply for your Malawi eVisa.